Hold on to your seats, tech enthusiasts. Samsung just dropped a mind-blowing teaser, giving us a sneak peek into the jaw-dropping powers of their ISOCELL 200-megapixel sensor, fueled by the blazing Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset from Qualcomm. Brace yourselves, because this combo is a game-changer, and it's not hiding. Get ready for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Picture this, a 60-second video that's about to blow your tech-loving mind. Zoom any place is the showstopper here. It not only tracks your subjects like a pro in a video, but also captures the whole shebang in full-frame zoomed-out glory. That means you're getting not one, but two 4K video streams, zoomed in the full picture. And guess what? You can play director and change the framing even after you've wrapped up shooting. Talk about next level. But wait, there's more. The E2E end-to-end. iRamosaic is shaking up the image processing game. No more sequential processing. This bad boy handles color, tone, noise reduction, sharpening, HDR, demosailing, white balance, and lens shading correction all at once. The result? Double the capture speed, less processing time, and top-notch image quality. Now hold your horses, because Samsung's playing it cool, saying these features are just for show. But let's be real here. With the confirmation of the Snapdragon flagship and that whopping 200-megapixel sensor, the Ultra is about to bring the heat. Mark your calendars for the next Unpacked, rumored to blow our minds in the first weeks of the upcoming year. The future of smartphones, you're looking at it.